Good morning students. Today we will see our chemistry chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. Under this chapter in last lecture we have seen about hydrocarbons. So what is mean by hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means the compounds in which carbon and hydrogen combine to give some compound that is called hydrocarbon. Yes. So the hydrocarbon is divided into two types mainly. One is aliphatic hydrocarbon and second is cyclic hydrocarbon. So under this aliphatic hydrocarbon we have seen in our last lecture saturated and unsaturated compounds we will find, and in cyclic hydrocarbon also saturated and unsaturated we will find. But here we have seen in our last lecture what is saturated hydrocarbon under the aliphatic hydrocarbon. So aliphatic means these are having chain structure. It is having chain structure. In this carbon atoms are attached by the chain. Rather either it can be single bond, otherwise it can be double bond also, otherwise it can be triple bond also. So any bond it may be, but it is in open chain structure. It is open chain structure. So first we will see saturated hydrocarbon. The example under this saturated hydrocarbon we have seen alkane. Alkane, A-N-E. What is the suffix here? A-N-E. From that suffix we come to we will understand that here carbon covalent bond and that is single bond is present. That is important. Alkane, in alkane open chain is present. Again the suffix ane denote that carbon single bond is present in this compound. Example we have seen here. First example with single carbon atom, that is methane. The structure of methane is very simple. Carbon is surrounded bonded with 4 hydrogen atom. Yes, one carbon is having 4 valency and all 4 valencies are satisfied by 4 hydrogen atom by single covalent bond. And second example is ethane. It means 2 carbon atom having 2. Meth means having single carbon atom. Ethane means having 2 carbon atom. So we will see later on, whole series we will discuss here. So here carbon single bond is present. Then for one carbon atom 4 valencies it has to satisfy. For one valency is satisfied by bonding with another carbon atom with single covalent bond, means one electron is shared here by carbon. Then the remaining 3 electrons of carbon are shared by hydrogen atoms. 3 hydrogen atoms are required here for each carbon atom. Here this carbon atom also is required 3 hydrogen atom to fulfill its 4 valency. Yes, so this is the alkane, structure of alkane. Then we will go to unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon under the aliphatic hydrocarbon we will get here double bond and single bonded open chain hydrocarbon. Under this first we will see the double bonded hydrocarbon. So here alkene group is there. Alkene, E and E. This E and E is denoted by carbon double bond. Here from E we will come to know it is carbon double bonded hydro compound. So the first example, if there is double bond between carbon, so minimum 2 carbon atoms required. That is very common sense. So here 2 carbon atoms minimum required, means with single carbon atom alkene cannot be found here. So first we will start from eth, not from meth. So ethene, the first compound of alkene is ethene. That is one double bond is present between 2 carbon atom, means 2 electrons, 2 valency is fulfilled by the double bond of carbon atoms of here, and the rest 2 electrons are shared rest 2 electrons of carbon shared with 2 hydrogen atoms for each carbon atom. हर एक कार्बन एटम ने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर किए हैं कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड बनाने के लिए दूसरे कार्बन एटम के साथ। अभी उसके पास 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन और बचे हैं, 2 वैलेंसीज और बची है, तो वो 2 वैलेंसी उसने कहाँ से फुलफिल की? हाइड्रोजन एटम के साथ कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड बना के। मतलब हर एक कार्बन एटम को 2 डबल बॉन्ड है कार्बन एटम के साथ और 2 सिंगल बॉन्ड है हाइड्रोजन एटम के साथ। लाइक दिस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इथीन विल बी देयर, structure of propene, butene and so on, in similar manner we can draw. We will see that also. So the next unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compound is here ethyne. So the series is start name alkyne group. Alkyne group. Ine, Y-N-E, that is very important. The suffix Y-N-E is very important here. From this suffix Y-N-E, we can understand that carbon-carbon triple bond is present between 2 carbon atoms. So, here the first compound of this series is alkyne series is having 2 carbon atom, minimum 2 carbon atom also here required for triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. So, we have taken here 1 triple bond with 2 carbon atom. So, here how many valencies are fulfilled? 3 electrons of this carbon atom and 3 electrons of this carbon atom shared with each other and made the covalent bond. 3 bonds are here, triple bonds are formed, means 3 valencies are fulfilled here and 1 valency is fulfilled by sharing with 1 hydrogen atom by preparing 1 covalent bond, by forming 1 covalent bond with hydrogen atom. Means each carbon atom share its 3 electrons, 3 valencies with another carbon atom and remaining 1 valency or remaining 1 electron is get shared by the hydrogen atom to give the single covalent bond here. Means 3 triple bond and 1 single covalent bond with hydrogen. That is the structure of ethyne. Yes, we will see in detail also. So here we have to fulfill all 4 valencies of carbon. Yes. So next we will see cyclic hydrocarbon. What is meant by cyclic? Cyclic means cycle type of structure. Yes. So what is the cycle? We will consider here if a circle or any closed shape, like that way we are going here, means it is cyclic. It is cyclic. So cyclic structure is a closed chain of hydrocarbon. Cyclic hydrocarbon means the closed structure of hydrocarbon. Here open chain structure, but here closed chain structure. So for any closed shape formation, how many minimum lines we require for in mathematics? Minimum 3 lines we require. Here same in same like that, minimum 3 carbon are required. So for forming the closed shape, first closed shape for minimum carbon atoms, here 3 we have to take. So first compound hydrocarbon we will take here propane, but it is cyclic, that's why cyclopropane. It is called cyclopropane. So the example is cyclopropane. So under this example, minimum 3 electrons we required. Propane means 3. Meth means 1 carbon atom. Eth means 2 carbon atom. And prop means 3 carbon atom. The hydrocarbon having minimum 3 carbon atoms. That is called prop. Butane means 4 carbon atom. Yes. So here we will see cyclopropane. 3 carbon atoms are arranged in this manner, triangular shape. So these are bonded with each other by single covalent bond. Again, as it is aliphatic type, that's why. Like this type, single covalent bonded it is. It is saturated and it is unsaturated. It is saturated. As it is saturated, it is having single bond, and here one carbon atom, two electrons, two electrons, two electrons, two bonds are with two carbon atom, and the rest of two electrons, two valencies are fulfilled by the two hydrogen atom. For each carbon atom the same, two valencies are fulfilled by two carbon atom, here in this way and here in this way, and the rest of two valencies are fulfilled by the टू हाइड्रोजन एटम. मतलब यहाँ पर हर एक कार्बन के चार वैलेंसेज होती है, तो दो वैलेंसेज किसने फुलफिल की, एक ये कार्बन ने फुलफिल की, एक ये कार्बन ने फुलफिल की, मतलब दो वैलेंसी दो कार्बन ने ही फुलफिल कर दी, और जो बाकी है और दो वो किसने फुलफिल की, हाइड्रोजन बाय शेयरिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन विथ हाइड्रोजन एटम, टू हाइड्रोजन एटम. दो हाइड्रोजन एटम के दो इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करके दो कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड यहाँ पर बन गए. ऐसे यहाँ पर चारों के चारों वैलेंसीज फुलफिल किए हर एक कार्बन एटम ने, और साइक्लोप्रोपेन स्ट्रक्चर ये बना है यहाँ पर. सो द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर वी विल सी हियर साइक्लोब्यूटेन. ब्यूटेन, here as I mentioned here, prop means 3, but means 4, pent means 5, you know very well, pentagon, yes, that is 5. So 5 carbon atom will be in cyclopentane, but here cyclobutane 4, so 4 carbon atoms are here at the corner of that structure. Here 2 valencies are fulfilled by the 2 carbon atom for each carbon atom, and the rest of 2 are fulfilled by hydrogen atoms, 2 hydrogen atom. In this manner, all that 4 valencies of carbon are also fulfilled, and hydrogen also having 2 shared electron. Yes, in this way cyclobutane structure is formed here. So after that we will go to unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Yes, so under this we will study arene. Arene means unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Here, and these are attached with 6 hydrogen to form hydrocarbon. To form hydrocarbon. So how is the structure we will see here? 6 carbon atoms are arranged like this here. But these are not fulfilled by single bond only. As it is unsaturated, there must be double bond also. So alternatively double bond are present here in this structure. See here also alternatively double bond is present. So each carbon atom is fulfill is 3 valency with the 2 carbon atom, as one is double bond by double bond and one is by single covalent bond, and then the rest of electron, rest of valency is fulfilled by sharing the electron with one hydrogen atom. So here this sharing with one hydrogen, and each carbon is having one hydrogen atom. Yes, we are seeing that, and 2 bonds with one carbon atom and one single bond with another carbon atom. Like that all 4 valencies are fulfilled here by carbon atom. So this is the benzene structure of benzene, that is aromatic hydrocarbon also it is called. And why we are it is called aromatic hydrocarbon benzene. Another example is also phenol. We know phenol, what smell of phenol you know very well. Very strong smell it's having very strong smell, so that it is called aromatic hydrocarbon, because aroma means smell. So the compounds of that unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon, these are having a very strong smell sometimes, and these are called aromatic hydrocarbon as well. Yes. So structure of phenol also like that. 6 carbon atoms are here. 6 carbon atoms are here like benzene. In hexagonal manner it is arranged, and 5 carbon atoms are attached with 5 hydrogen atom, and 1 carbon atom is attached with hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group. OH group. That is called hydroxyl group. And because of this group, it is the hydrocarbon. This hydrocarbon is called phenol. Other structure is same. Here also alternate double bond is present in this structure like the benzene, but instead of 1 hydrogen atom, hydroxyl group is attached here. That is the structure of phenol. We have to study in our 11th-12th standard in very detail these compounds. Okay. So again I will revise. Hydrocarbons are divided into, it is very important, that's why I am revising again and again. Hydrocarbon is divided into aliphatic hydrocarbon and cyclic hydrocarbon. Under this aliphatic means open chain structure of carbon compound. So it under this saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon is present. So under saturated hydrocarbon, alkane series will start here. So alkane group will be here. So from this alkane, the first compound hydrocarbon is methane, then ethane, that we have seen. Then in unsaturated hydrocarbon, under this unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkene and alkyne, these 2 types of unsaturated hydrocarbon will come here. So under this alkene, first will be ethene. The structure of ethene also we have discussed here. Again under this alkyne, carbon here double bond, and carbon triple bond is present here under the alkyne. Yes. So carbon triple bond, and again these 2 carbon atoms are attached with 2 hydrogen atoms. The structure also we have discussed here. Again the second type is cyclic hydrocarbon. Cyclic means closed structure. For any closed structure we required minimum 3 carbon atom, so that the first compound of this chain is cyclopropane. From cyclopropane the series will start. Here 3 carbon atoms are arranged here in triangular manner, in triangular shape, and each carbon atom is having 2 covalent bond with 2 carbon atom and 2 covalent bond with 2 hydrogen atom. So here in cyclobutane also it is only the shape is changed here because of 4 carbon atom, rectangular shape is formed here. Then unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon, it is called arene. The example is benzene, we have seen here. So 6 carbon atoms are arranged in hexagonal structure, and here again alternate double bond is present. As it is unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon, alternate double bond is present, and each carbon atom is fulfilled its valency with 2 double bonds and 1 single covalent bond, and the remaining 1 valency is fulfilled with 1 hydrogen atom. Each carbon atom is bonded with 1 single hydrogen atom here, and here each carbon atom is bonded in phenol. Each carbon atom is bonded with 5 carbon atoms are bonded with hydrogen only, and 1 only instead of hydrogen with hydroxyl group. Yes. So this is about the hydrocarbons we have discussed here. I hope you understood that. We will go to our next topic. So before we will see the structure of these hydrocarbons, saturated as well unsaturated, how to draw the structures of that hydrocarbon. The one important thing we will discuss here, You know very well what is 1, 2, 3, 4 in mathematics. So in chemistry, in hydrocarbon, the series will start, the name of the series will start by the name according to chemistry. The name will start not from 1, 2, 3, 4, but will start from methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. So this series will start from the number of carbon atoms. It depends on the number of the name of hydrocarbon. Name of hydrocarbon will depend on the number of carbon atom present in that particular compound. If single carbon atom is present there, then the name will start from meth. If two carbon atoms are present there, then the name of hydrocarbon will start from eth. Rather it is saturated or unsaturated. If the 3 carbon atoms are present in given compound, the name of the hydrocarbon will start from prop. Like that. We will see here series of name of hydrocarbon. Series of name of hydrocarbon. So under this series, if first only single carbon atom is present there, then it will start from meth. So like this the series will start. For first one carbon atom, for single carbon atom, one carbon atom, meth. For 2 carbon atom, eth. For 3 carbon atom, prop. Note down this series. It is very important. Without this series, you can't understand the hydrocarbon. If 4 carbon atoms are present, then but. If 5 carbon atoms are present, then pent. Pentagon you know very well. It is very easy to understand. Then for 6 carbon atom, it is hex. 7 carbon atom, it is hepta, penta, whatever it is. 8 carbon atom, octa. We know octopus. Octopus is having 8 arms. That's why we can understand octa. Oct means 8. Oct means 8. We know very well. Remember the name of octopus for 8. Then for 9 carbon atom, no name. For 10 carbon atom, decan. So meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hepta, octa, nonia and deca. This 10 name you have to learn today. Yes, from this the series is formed. We will take alkane series first. Methane, ethane, propane, then butane, then having single carbon atom, 2 carbon atom, 3 carbon atom, 4 carbon atom, then for 5 pentane, for 6 hexane, for 7 heptane, for 8 octane, for 9 nonane, and for 10 carbon atom here decane. Here the series is from alkane group. Series is from alkane group, ANE. So that each hydrocarbon is having, the name of hydrocarbon is having suffix ANE everywhere here. You will find ANE suffix in each name from this series. So from this you I hope you understood how the name is derived of this hydrocarbon. The next series we will discuss in your next lecture. Up to that you have to learn all these names and try to draw the structure of this. What I have taught today, with the help of this you can draw this. At least you should try out this. Okay. So in next lecture I will explain the next series. Okay. Thank you.